All right, June 10th. Today we set aside to make sure we turn in our Chromebooks. That's top priority. So you need to know where to check in your Chromebook, how to check in your Chromebook, and be sure you check in your Chromebook. So we'll open up with a short digestive system Kahoot, a little extra credit for the top 5 leaderboard, and then we'll go through the Chromebook check-in process, and then it'll be our final day to turn in any work. And then at the end, we need to make sure that everyone has turned in their Chromebooks. If you haven't, make sure you bring them next week. But in the meantime, it's going to list it as a fine and create all sorts of yearbook and field day issues for you. And that ends our week. Monday, June 6th, the last full week of school. We are still in the human body. Our plan, sorry about that, back up a little bit here. Our plan is to give you a chance to review all the objectives from lessons 1 through 7. They're all the digestive system items. And what that means is you have, in lieu of a test, they provide a study guide that we'll just use as a way for you to show what you know. By filling out that study guide, you will earn your final grade for the digestive system. Tuesday, June 7th. Moving on from digestive system to respiratory system. We want to know the organs of the respiratory system. We want to understand how air travels in the respiratory system and what factors affect lung capacity. So we'll construct models of the respiratory system and determine your lung capacity. And as you can see, that is lesson 10 and 11 in the book. It's going to be a 2-day lab. First day will be working through building the model and determining lung capacity. Day 2 will be data analysis. Okay, and as promised, on the 8th, Wednesday, we are going to finish up lab 11 and give you time for data analysis. Now, some of you that are a little more timely with your mathematics, let's say, you can do data analysis, mean, median, mode, central tendency stuff rather quickly. You can use the time to finish up 7.1 study guide if you're not finished, or take advantage of the grade improvement activities. Otherwise, if math is not your thing, make sure you lean heavily on those in your group and work together to get those numbers. Thursday, June 9th, we get a kind of a one-day opportunity to look at frogs, dissect frogs and cows. So you get some choices today. I know not all of you want to dissect or see actual organs, so there's other opportunities for you as well. If we look them over here, what do you want to know about frogs, people, or cows? What do you want to understand about frogs, people, or cows? And whether or not you want to explore organs or models of frogs, people, or cows. There's your options for the day. There are frog dissections on one part of the room. There are cow organs in the back of the room, and there are model lessons for circulatory system at the tables. And you can pick and choose, spread your time between any or all of them as you see fit. So just follow your interests and enjoy the opportunity.